fun in this blender. Hi guys, look at this fun blender and mixer we have. We better fill it up with something like Gumballs. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Let's push our button. Gumballs are too big for it to blend. Let's see what happens if we pour some in here. Did I hear Gumballs? Oh, Gumballs! Oh, Skye! Wait, Skye, wait! You can't go in there with Gumballs. It's a blender! Ah! You okay? I'm okay. Gumballs doesn't mix very well, though. I know, we should probably pour them out. Gumballs! Did you like that? That was awesome! Paw Patrol! I'm coming, I'm here. Me too. What about me? I'm here too. Ha, we're all here. Get in the blender. Get out! You guys didn't mix up very well either. I think we should try something a little less, I guess, solid. How about some water? Let's pour it in there. How's that? Let's put our lid on. Let's turn it on. Woo! Oh my goodness! Whoa! That's awesome! Ooh, look, it even does light. That's awesome. What happens if we throw in a gumball or two? How about like a pink gumball? Oh, look! Oh my goodness! Let's keep going. I got another pink one. Oh, okay, wait. Let's fill it up with pink ones. I think it's gonna change color. The color's turning kind of pink. We should put the lid on though. Okay, let's keep going. Ah! Oh no, a gumball got stuck. Oh, we broke it. Too many gumballs. A little thing to dump it out into. Look, we made pink water. Oh no, it's leaking! Oh no! Paw Patrol! Ah! Let's go ahead and put some water in our mixer. It's still blending. Okay. Let's see how good our mixer is. Oh, look at it blend. It blends awesome. Let's throw some gumballs in there. It's turning the water blue. Can you see? Let's throw in a couple more. Okay, Paw Patrol, time to go in. Look at our blue water. Let's pour you in the blender. Wow, we've made a mess. Well, there's our Paw Patrol just hanging out in their blender. I think we've blended enough today. Look at all these. Look at all this water. Paw Patrol, you've made a mess. It's been so fun in this blender. Oh, you goofy, goofy Paw Patrol. Look at everyone. Look at the pretty lights, too. We've made quite a mess, Paw Patrol. Let's get all of you out. I think that was a pretty good bath, don't you? We won't have to worry about giving you a bath. And it was a gumball bath. How's that for fun? Okay, say bye to Paw Patrol. Bye, Paw Patrol. Have fun cleaning up your mess.
Bye-bye.